Welcome to Buildawebs, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can set a page as your home page in WordPress. I'll show how you can set a static page just like this page here. I'll then show how you can show your latest blog posts on the home page, and I'll show how you can set the home page in the WordPress customizer. If you want to follow along this video step by step, I'll show you how you can import this demo site and then just come back to the start of the video and follow it through. Now let's see how you can set a static page as your home page. So I'm going to open this page in a new tab. And then in the tab you're in, go to the WordPress dashboard. And then go down to settings and then reading. So in here it's set already as the static page, but if it wasn't, for example, say it was set as your latest post, you can just tick it and then you can choose what page you want. Currently it's set on the home page, but say for example you wanted to show a different page on here, you can choose contact or choose any other page, and then when you go on the website you'll see that it's set as the contact page. If you want to change it back or you want to change it to any other page, choose the option, click Save Changes, and then just refresh and it'll show the home page there. Now let's see how you can show your latest posts. So if we go back to settings and then reading, all you need to do here is tick your latest posts and choose Save Changes. Then when you refresh the page, it'll show the latest posts, and then for example somebody could click in and read the post. All these posts are available on the demo site, so if you go to the final section in the video in the description, you'll see that you can follow it through and then come back and you can follow this through. Now let's have a look how you can set the home page in the WordPress customizer. So when you're in your website and you're providing you're logged in as an admin, you can go and choose the option Customize. And then depending on the theme that you're using, you should have the option down at the bottom of go Home Page Settings. And then if you wanted to set it back to a static page, for example, you could choose Home again. The plus of doing it this way, as you can see, it changes on screen, so you can see the different changes. So if we were to set it to News, nothing shows there, but say for example Contact Page. So you can see how you can easily change it around there. Now we're going to download the Blocksy theme and add a starter site, which you can then use to follow along with this video. So first of all, go into your WordPress dashboard, then go to Appearance, and then Themes. Then click on Add New, and search for Blocksy. And then hover over it and click Install. And then choose Activate. And then click on Install Blocksy Companion. Skip. Go to Starter Sites. And then find the Product Reviews one and choose Import. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. So it's now installed. Click on View Site. And then you'll see you have all the demo content, including posts, which you can then use to follow along with this video. So once you've done this, go back to the start of the video and follow it all the way through. So in this video, you'll learn how to set a static page as your home page in WordPress, how to set latest posts as your home page, how to set the home page in the WordPress customizer, and how to import a demo site that you can then follow along with this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to see future videos. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.